we're looking for a neighborhood that was closer to downtown. We wanted it to be brand new, very low maintenance.
You pull into this neighborhood and it's perfect. I don't think there's anything I could change to make this a better place to live.
We love just kind of the feel with the privacy, a little bit of nature, but we're smack in the middle of the city. It's so nice and bright and cheery here. It's basically a smart home, so I can control everything from my phone.
Everything in this house is literally built the way that I would build it if I built it myself.
I'm an Aggie, and my husband's a Longhorn.
There's no rivalry in this house. Everyone knows the Longhorns are better than the Aggies.
I don't know why, we all can't just get along.
They always, for some reason, schedule all the Texas games at the same time.
We put both games on, so then we just have to fight about who's gonna have the sound. We just ended up lucking out and finding this little neighborhood. It's this little hidden gem.